But this is a very big project. What do you look forward to, and how are you preparing for it?
The thing I'm looking forward to most is the experience I'm gonna get from it, because it's like a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Yes.
I mean, I'm looking forward to learning from the veteran actors as well. I think I might annoy them a little bit with the questions I'm gonna ask, because I want to learn from them.
Yes.
So how I'm preparing for it, of course, I'm doing my acting in Tagalog workshops, but also it's like a mental thing, because you're gonna be doing a lot of work. It's gonna be long taping.
Yes.
But it's gonna be hard, but I'm looking forward to that challenge.
So nagtatagalog ka na ngayon?
Sample
So pwede ka na magkausapin in Tagalog?
Tara po.
Tara po, okay. So si Maymay, sinabi niya na excited siya to work with Katniel. Aside from this Kenning, fan din pala siya ng Katniel. Ikaw ba? Anong nilulook forward mo working with Katniel?
Alam ko na sobrang experiences. At si Daniel kasi, siya isang paborito kong artista, siya